might actually be one of the worst built PCs I've ever seen. Just a random SATA cable just sitting here. Yeesh. Yeah, at least the dude, whoa, what the heck is this? Oh, maybe, yeah, an LED button. But I'm gonna have to rebuild this entire thing. It's also not got any front fans. I don't know if that came like that from the factory or if it's missing something, but this case kind of seems like it might be a little beat. I might just replace this case. It's such a mess. Alright, guys.